In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your oil and filter on a Honda Odyssey. First thing you want to do is turn on the car and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. It'll give you easier access to the oil filter. It's something I didn't do in the video, but if you're doing it, it would be better for you. Now you would want to make sure that the emergency brake is all the way down. Now you can open up the hood and turn off the car. You don't want the car running while changing the oil or you will ruin your engine. Now you'd want to remove the oil cap. That helps drain the oil faster because of the airflow. It's a good idea to put the cap where the hood closes, because then you would remember to put the cap before closing the hood, or you could just put it to the side. Now you can lift the car up. You'll see a piece of metal sticking out. That's where you will lift the car. There's one on each side of the front of the wheels. Under the car, you'll see a big piece of metal. That's the frame of the car. You could use your jack or your jack stands to hold the car from here. If you don't have jack stands and you only have one jack, you could lift it up from the front over here. But I definitely recommend using jack stands just for your safety. And definitely make sure that you're on a leveled ground. Before going underneath the car, push the car from each side of the bumper. Give it a little push just to make sure that it's stable so it won't fall on you. Your life is worth more than $60 jack stand, so safety first. The engine oil bolt is right on the pan, and it even says engine oil with an arrow pointing to it. For the bolt, you're going to need a 17mm socket or wrench, and you're going to use an oil catch pan or something to catch the oil when it falls out. After getting the bolt loose, you can hand loosen it the rest of the way. While loosening it, it's best to push it in while you get to the end of it so it doesn't just start falling out. So you just push in the bolt while loosening it. Now when the oil runs out or is just dripping out, you could put back in the bolt. Now this is the part where I said moving your tire outward would be better, but something that I didn't do. This is a video of the new filter on, just showing you where it's located if you're having a hard time finding the location of it. The oil filter is pretty easy to access. It's right next to the tire. You can remove it by twisting it with your hand, or if you're not able to, you could also get an oil filter wrench. Make sure to have your oil catch pan right underneath. This is the oil filter number that I bought for my car. And for this Honda Odyssey, it takes 0W20, full synthetic. And if you have high mileage car, you could put high mileage oil into it. Now you're gonna just put a little bit of oil into the filter, so when you first start the car, it's not completely dry. And then you're also gonna take the oil and put it over the ring, so next time you remove the filter, it's a little bit easier. For the filter, you're gonna hand tighten it only. You're gonna just tighten it with your hand as much as you can, but don't use any tools. Just to make sure you're using the right oil, it's also written on the cap. For this engine, it takes 4.5 quarts of oil, but if you will not change the filter, it's going to take 4.2 quarts of oil. But just to double check, you can see in your owner's manual, and you can also look it up on Google. You would use a funnel to fill up the oil, but I don't have a funnel, I have an oil canister, so I just use that instead. Don't forget to release the emergency brake. Now I'll show you how to reset your engine oil life. See, there's two ways to do it. The first way would be from the screen. First thing you want to do is click on the settings button, and then you're going to use the scroller until you get to vehicle settings, and then you're going to press on the enter button. You're going to scroll all the way down until you get to maintenance reset. And when you're at maintenance reset, press enter. Then you're going to click enter again, and then click enter to reset. And then you're going to scroll to where it says reset, and then you're going to hit enter again. And that's how you reset it from the screen. Another way, without pressing the brake, you're going to turn on the car. Then you're going to press the little button on the odometer until you get to the oil life. Then you're going to hold the button down for about 10 seconds until it starts flashing. After doing that, you're going to hold it down for another 10 seconds until it resets. But this didn't work for me. I assume because it's on the screen, but without a screen, this is how you would do it. Now for the old oil, you could dump it back in the original container, and you could recycle it at any auto parts store.